Hey, what's up guys, this is Neeraj and welcome to another video. Today I have a special product to unbox and I wanted to buy this one from a very long time. Now it's finally here. So in this video we are going to unbox the top class noise cancellation headphones from Sony. So the product name is Sony WH-1000X M3. If you already watched some videos about this product, then you might already aware of the fact that these are the world's best class noise cancellation headphones. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight to the video. So as always, let's start with the unboxing. Here we have the box of the Sony WH-1000X M3. Peeling up the plastic, when you hold this box in the hand, you will instantly feel the box is very much good. The overall texture of the box is also very nice. I'm already expecting some good quality packaging here because these comes for a very big fat price of about 30,000 rupees, which is a lot of money to spend on some headphones. On the box you will find a Sony logo and the name of the headphones, and here it describes some of the features like built-in Google Assistant and Alexa. It also says high resolution audio, 30-hour battery life and Bluetooth. Towards the back we can find some details as well, and again we got Sony branding on the side. Sliding the box, the first thing you will find is an easy setup guide which tells us the initial setup. Below that we can find a hard case which contains the headphones and some cables, and the last thing inside the box are some paperwork which are very large user manuals. Now let's take a look at the carrying case. So it is very nice and looks like that this will give some good protection to the headphones, and this case also has the mesh storage for little things and cables. Opening up the box you will find the nicely packed headphones, and we got some cables. We got the airplane adapter, a 3.5mm cable and a USB type A to type C for charging these headphones. Now let's take these out of the box. So holding these into the hand, the first thing I feel is that the headphones are very lighter, and these are going to be very comfortable as well because very good quality cushioning is used on these. So speaking of the physical overview, on the left ear cup you will find the power on off button and a noise cancellation button and a mic for making calls. We got another mic which is a noise cancellation one, and we have a NFC sensor and a 3.5mm headphone port. To the right hand side you will find another noise cancellation microphone, and we got a USB type C port. The right ear cup has all the touch controls like double tap to play pause, swipe up and down for volume controls, and swipe forward and backward for media controls. Although these headphones are made up of the plastic, but these doesn't feel cheap in any way. Overall, I really love the build quality of Sony WH-1000X M3s. They are built like a tank. When it comes to connecting these, so the setup process is very simple. Just turn on the headphones by pressing down the power button and pair them with a smart device. When you will successfully connect them, a pop-up menu will appear on the screen showing 3 apps named Headphone, Music Center and Alexa. You can download these apps and after that you are good to go. Log into the headphone app, and from there you can control a lot of things like noise cancellation, equalizer, position controls and a lot of other things as well, which I will be discussing in the future videos. You might be wondering that these are the wireless headphones and why do we have a 3.5mm port on this one. So this is a very useful port because if you ran out of the battery, and you can use it with the 3.5mm cable. This way you cannot use the noise cancellation feature if the battery is completely drained, but you can listen to the music, which is a very handy feature in my opinion. So overall these headphones brings a lot of things to the table. We got world's best class noise cancellation, a great comfort and a very nice foldable design. The supplied carrying case makes it more portable for traveling. So the review of the Sony WH-1000X M3 is coming very soon on this channel, and I will be checking it in depth. So we will see is it worth the price of 30,000 rupees. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you like this one, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.
You got it right this time. Nothing is out of line.